Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This one is all about goslings. We've got so many. We must have had 50, 60, 70 goslings in the last week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. But there are a lot of predators out there. The Carrion Crows seem to be the greatest of the hunters. Also an amazing footage of some terns, some common terns, trying to drive off some lesser black-backed gulls. Big gulls, never seen them on this reserve before ever. A big gang of them, hunters trying to get goslings. Anyway, hope you enjoy this one, guys. First goslings, Greylag Goslings 5, I think. Hello guys, look at that turn after that goal, look at it, wow. Oh, we've got a big team of hunters here guys, we can see them over here. This is and they are obviously here for the easy prey. Loads of them. How many we've got? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 or 7. There's a little turn desperately trying to drive these gulls off. You see that turn too? Tiny little turn, look at it, look! Desperately trying to drive these gulls off. Oh wow. They've all moved off.